This is how to make white chocolate whipped cream using a whipped cream dispenser, and how to make a raspberry syrup to go with it. The nitrous gas makes a fluffy white chocolate whipped topping that is perfect for specialty coffee or delicious on its own. Similar to white chocolate mousse, adding a little light syrup like raspberry changes the topping into a satisfying dessert. Whip dispensers are fun cooking tools. If you do a lot of entertaining, a whip dispenser can be used to replace a bowl and whisk or even a stand mixer to whip the cream. An immersion circulator is another fun cooking tool that is used to heat water to an exact temperature for long periods of time, and is a perfect method to use to make a high quality fruit syrup. To fill a half-liter whipped cream dispenser, scale 100 grams white chocolate into a bowl and 400 grams of cream into a small saucepan. Gently heat the cream to scalding and pour the cream over the chocolate to melt it. Use a funnel to help transfer the sweetened cream to the dispenser. Place the canister in the refrigerator to cool down. It is important not to overfill the whipped dispenser, and the whipped cream will be more stable if the contents are chilled before charging. Make sure the gasket on the inside of the lid is in place and screw the lid on tight. Screw on the decorator tip and the canister is ready to be pressurized with gas. To charge a 500 milliliter easy dispenser, you need one cartridge of nitrous oxide gas, or follow the manufacturer's instructions. Add the cartridge to the charger holder and screw the charger on until you hear the gas enter the container. Shake the canister several times to help distribute the gas. Unscrew the charger holder to remove the spent charging cartridge and put on the protective cap to protect the threads. Add the poached raspberry syrup to the white chocolate whipped cream in layers, starting at the bottom. To dispense the white chocolate whipped cream, give the container a good shake and invert the dispenser upside down. Point the nozzle where you want the cream to go and release the contents of the container by gently squeezing the trigger. White chocolate and raspberry is a sweet and tangy combination that is very complementary to this light textured dessert. To make poached raspberry syrup, scale 250 grams of raspberries and 50 grams of local honey together in a food saver bag. Seal the bag so it is airtight. You can double seal the top of the bag too. Add the bag of raspberries to a water bath heated to 85 degrees Celsius or 185 degrees Fahrenheit and set a timer for 30 minutes. Chill the poached raspberries and strain out the syrup through a fine mesh sieve. Stored in the refrigerator, the syrup will be at its best for 3 or 4 days.